there, welcome to the first ever masterclass series with me, Linda Rayner. I'm collaborating with Google and YouTube to offer you an absolutely free course on how to recruit the perfect candidate for your company. So if you are a recruiter, a talent acquisition specialist, an HR coordinator, or a hiring manager, these next videos will walk you through my exact strategies on how to identify, find, and hire the best, most amazing candidates for the job opening that you're looking to fill. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Linda Rayner. I'm a career strategist and coach, and you may have watched some of my videos right here on YouTube where I've shared my best tips and strategies on interviews, resumes, and finding the job that you'll truly enjoy. You may not be a hiring manager, and instead you might actually be a job search candidate. And if that's the case, you're in the right place because these videos will still be highly applicable to you, because the strategies that I teach in this course are ones that employers use when hiring. So you'll be able to gain insights, and hopefully this will help you to land your dream job. So in this course, you're going to learn the following: how to search for a good candidate, how to write a job description, signs of a high potential employee, how to interview someone, and how to close the deal during the job offer stage. So sit back, take some notes, and happy hiring.